Okay, we're rolling. I'll try to keep this under 1 minute, but that's going to be impossible. Here to all my family and friends on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, come to you with a very important message. I'm in trouble. Um, I had a fire right outside that balcony a few months ago, back on July the 17th. I got a file right there, that link you see right there, explaining everything of what happened and how I was falsely accused of starting a fire on the balcony. And I faced eviction. I'd never been evicted before. I lived at this place I live at right here in Little Rock for 10 years. And it was devastating to me in the fact that I'm in ill health, about to get kicked out on the streets in 100-degree heat, homeless again. But my boss's daughter called in some people, not favors, and they came out here and they took another look to see who did this. Look at that car pass. All right, long and the short of it, the manager was 100% convinced I was the one that started the fire. What happened was we had some bed bugs. That's something I don't like to be talking about. She said, wash your clothes or dry them, put them in a hot setting, or put them in a bag and place them on the balcony. Let the sun cook the little fuckers. And that's what I did. I didn't have no money. I was broke. Only got a part-time job. Some people tell me, get a job. Yeah, right. The job I've been having for the past 15 years, I don't think I'll quit that job, go look for another job. It don't pay much, but allows me to eat and have a roof. I did that, and I was on my computer, and I smelled, and I didn't know what the hell was going on. The damage to my balcony is still extensive. You'll see that in this file I got together. And for the first time in my life, I had a fire alarm. I've been here since 2009. I had never had a false alarm ever. Everybody else have in this building, this apartment I stay at for senior citizens. But when I saw outside that balcony window there was one of the worst days of my life. I had to be hospitalized for smoke inhalation. Plus, facing eviction took a toll on me mentally and health-wise. Um, couldn't work. I wasn't taking my medication for my diabetes condition. This is hard for me to try to share this with anybody, especially about my personal health. So this took a toll on my personal health and psychologically. I had to go see a psychiatrist behind this. But once we got the eviction thing voided by having a second look, then management gave me a look. Well, I'm sorry that this happened to you, blah, blah, blah. The letter from her took 30 days to come in, was a literal fuck you. That's what it was, literally. I'm sorry you got hospitalized behind this shit twice because my doctor, my psychiatrist cleared me, told me to go back to eat, go back taking your medication, go back to work. I ate a little bit too much, and I wound up having what you call diabetes gastrointestinal. I mean, I had a blockage in my stomach tract. That required me to be hospitalized again. Now I'm back in the hospital again with a tube in my nose. All right, in concluding, here's what I want to ask. I don't have no lawyers. I tried to contact this law firm. They've been hustling around for 2 months on this thing. Well, we're looking into it. No, what it is, nobody wants to take on the housing authority because they are part of the United States government, and we know what that means. So, what I need from my family and friends, spread this message. I need to start a GoFundMe so I can get me some kind of legal. I'm thinking about legal shield. You know, I think $36 a month or 40. That's a fee added on. Then after that, it's like 30 or $26 a month. I need some legal protection. Uh, right now, let's see. Okay, I don't want to ask for too much. So what I want to ask for is at least $5,000 at least. If I can get a first couple of hundreds in, I can go ahead and get me a legal shield membership. Then I can blast these assholes. Everything's in the package below of what happened and how they threatened me to kick me out and gave me a little fake apology. So help me raise $5,000 so I can try to sue these assholes for everything. I'm not an attorney, so I'm not gonna try to claim to be one. I lost work behind this shit, got hospital behind this shit, and management act like, oh, we're sorry that it happened to you. Wait a minute, that's it? You threatened me, and then when the fire department come out here again, take another look, say, no, it wasn't arson. Somebody smoked a cigarette butt and threw it over the balcony against the no smoking policy, which I signed because I don't smoke. But it don't matter. It's like somebody got shot, but I get the blame. See? So thank you, and help me get this GoFundMe thing started so I can get some legal thing going, because the only way I'm going to get some kind of representation, I got to pay for it. Because this law firm, they fucking around. Oh, by the way, I went to the legal clinic. And, we can't help you. Oh. And I'm the kind of guy get this kind of fucked up look. I said, I knew I wasted my time coming here. A so-called legal clinic to help people like me. Oops. So I got this on a tripod. Anyway, thank you for this long-winded. I apologize, but I can't write shit like this out. Please help me get this GoFundMe started, which will be used for legal expenses like legal shield and other things I got to do. Thank you very much. Charles Neal from Little Rock. Sign out to help me get these bastards.